So Bella, have you got any tattoos?
Yeah, I've just got 2 little wee ones, and these guys here, Alpha and Omega. And Alpha means the first or the beginning, and Omega means the last or the end. And so that just encompasses everything in my walk with God.
I've got a half sleeve here, which is my spiritual side.
Yeah.
We've got the flower, the girl, the hat, and the cross, and the 3 rings, which means Island Girl rocks for Jesus, and the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Yeah. And then the stars to guide me wherever I go. Yeah. We've got Bella there.
But it's got nothing there. What are you, I'm just a brown patch of skin, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just let me explain.
I'm okay with that.
And then on this side is my cultural side, which is it's a shape of a hummingbird.
Yeah.
You've got the beak there and the eye. It's all the cultural Samoan drawings. And then I've got the eagle here on the side, which is meant to be coloured.
Yeah.
But I fell asleep halfway through it. I said, well, we'll save the colour next time. But that's representing my new album that's coming out.